Welcome to Step 2, setting up the Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktop service on Citrix Cloud. In this demo, we focus on installing the Virtual Delivery Agent. Download the Virtual Delivery Agent, also called VDA, by clicking the Downloads button in the upper right corner of the Citrix Cloud screen. VDA will be the first option in the downloads list. When you follow that link, log in and download the Virtual Delivery Agent for your environment. As you can see, I've already done that and placed it on my Citrix Virtual Apps server. Run the file with administrative privileges. Use the default settings and click Next until you get to the Delivery Controller section. In our first demo, we created two Citrix Cloud connector servers. Now we need to point our delivery controller to those connectors. Let's enter the connector's name, which is your local domain, and test the connection to make sure it's successful. Complete the same process with the second connector that you configured in the first demo. After receiving successful test results, click Next without changing any default settings. When finished, run the installer. After you install the prerequisites, reboot the server. The installation process of the VDA takes about 10 minutes. After installing the VDA, turn on Citrix Insight Services. This helps Citrix gather anonymous information about the installation process and improve customers' experience. To do that, log in with your Citrix Cloud credentials. Once logged in and connected, click Next to finish the process. This concludes Step 2 of installing our first Citrix virtual server. In the next demo, we will configure it.